Get in the captain's chair right now.
No.
I just spent half an hour getting the lighting all set for you there and
But
here.
this is my good
The
side.
vocals, the mics, the audio. Get over there. I'll fix your profile problem and get rid of that giant wart in first.
Can I close these?
No, you cannot. It all affects the lighting to make sure it's in the even blue. We can still see the lake and not get too much reflection.
No, you
look. You can't even keep your hand on your knee because it's in the shadows. No,
Shut up.
I'm serious. Just stop it.
When I sit here, I gotta put my feet up.
You can do whatever you want with your damn feet. I'm going to see your fat toes. Now stop it.
My fat toes?
His, your little dog. Get him up in the shot. Everybody's going, yep, 27985 Voyager. Oh, looks like they're coming up on a Voyager cruise. That's cool. Wants to know, where's that tiny dog? This tiny dog. Mama, are you going to stream with me? We're doing my YouTube channel. We're going to do my YouTube channel now. Have you seen me? I'm on Twitch too, and BitChute, and CloudHub.
How about name some normal social media that people are actually on?
Well, I have a @C-Rose group on Facebook. You let Daddy post pictures.
Okay.
I need to give you a good luck kiss. Don't mess up. God, he's such a baby.
We're gonna do mail call. Mail call. Yes, sir. These are Royal Caribbean, Casino Royale. We each got an offer, as usual. That looks like looks familiar. Anyway. Biggie Smalls, you need to sit still. What do we got here? Check it out, Biggs. Oh my God. Settle down.
How many separate offers from Royal Caribbean do you have? Like, if
I look it up on the phone right now? Oh my God.
If down payment was the chimichanga,
It's all up in my face.
I'm not even near your mama.
Hold on. I'll have to tell you how many I have. Probably 3 or 4, usually.
And you can use all 3 on different trips, right?
Yeah. So I go to clubroyaleoffers.com and put in my info. It will tell me what offers I have. Crown and Royal. Crown and Anchor. I don't even like Crown Royal. Okay, so right now I have 6 offers in my queue yes, I have 6 offers in my Royal Caribbean.
A lot of people don't really count as a discount for some reason, or they count it differently. It's how much casino cash, free play, cruise credit, whatever you want to call it. Which one of those offers has the biggest amount of any free money?
Well, Royal doesn't do that much, but I have one. The one I have right here has 150.
Oh, it's Carnival that usually does.
Carnival's the one that gives you more free play. Yeah. So for Royal Caribbean, I have my tier, my annual interior. That's probably not going to get used. I have my September. Well, this one's probably the September offer is expired, and then they sent me a December sailings offer. 22 close to home sailings offer, 22 Casino Royale October offer. That one has 175 free play.
Each or for the
just for
room?
The person.
What's the biggest amount so far? The 175?
Yeah, and then I have this new one, which is April to June sailings for plus 150.
Are any of the ones that they have no free money of any kind?
Yeah.
Or does every offer have free money?
No, for Royal, it's most of them don't have free money.
So the first thing you want to look for, that if you can't buy all the deals, is always look for the ones with the free cash. Because even if it doesn't say quite the difference on the room or on the offer itself, it's still like forcing yourself to have a bank account of gambling.
Yeah. I mean, $175.
I'm always running around pawning stuff to get my $1,000 bankroll. It's horrible. How many watches do I still have in there at Les Pawn Shop?
What are you talking about? Don't make up stories.
We always bring a bankroll 2,000. It's 1,000 each, supposedly. Usually I end up bringing like 200 or 400.
Look at that.
It's the drink of the day. Check that out.
I'm not drinking that.
That is a sweet pickle kiwi mango, one of those diet teas. It's a very weak flavor in the water with diced pickle one in the drink, and then garnished with 2 additional ones if you want. You know, a
That
little
sounds
more.
terrible.
You told me. Oh my gosh, this is delicious.
Anyway.
And but yeah, it's like a little cherry on the side.
All right. So anyway, this new offer we got today, which is the
You need to try
2022 Casino Royale April to June sailings offer, for which I have a balcony plus 150 free play. You have the same. You have a similar offer, but yours is an interior stateroom,
So
and it has fewer cruises on it.
So the first thing then to do, we have on Carnival 4 offers currently that we could choose from. Is that what that is?
This is Royal.
Royal.
God.
Oh, with money. It was the free money that was put me up. So that's all Royal.
This is Royal.
And there's 4 of those offers. We have 4 different offers, and 2 of them have free
I
cash.
have 6 offers.
All on Royal.
Yeah.
Okay.
2 of them. Well, one of them's got to be expired, so 2 of them currently have some kind of free.
Again, from the beginning, you have 4 offers from Royal, correct? You just said you had 6, and 2 of them are dead. So that means
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One of them's dead.
So you have 5 offers.
Yes.
Those aren't counting mine either.
Correct.
So how many do I have?
I don't know.
One of the key things to do when you're doing advantage cruising and advantage gambling, advantage play, it's not gambling, we know exactly what's going to happen, is you always have to know all of the variables.
All right. You also have.
What a horrible problem to
6.
have. You got so many free cruises, you just don't know which ones.
You have 6 offers
Oh,
as
wait,
well.
bullshit.
So you have your
So,
annual.
That's a cuss. Here, Jimmy, you get a treat.
The September ones are
Wait, okay.
expired.
So, no, I just don't care. The ones that we have that we could buy today.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, you first said 6 or 7 or something.
You have 6.
No, I don't
One
have
of them's
6. I used
expired.
to have 6. I used to have 6, but now I have 5 because one of those is expired. I have 5, and you have 5. So we have 10. We have 10 separate free. Theoretically, if there was no down payment and we just say, hey, let's roll the dice, see what happens. We might have the money, we might not, but we could go online right now and book 10 cruises.
With Royal Caribbean.
Probably close to back, or maybe you'd want to take a break every week.
Right.
That'd be so hilarious if we could do a GoFundMe page at Sea Rollers to raise enough money to get the best deals possible with the most free cash and see what it would end up costing. So anyways, of those 10, the first thing to look for is how many of those 10 offers, you're going to hate me for this one, how many of those 10 offers are, I want to make sure, how many of those offers have free cash compared to those that have no free cash of any type? Okay, so and are all 4 of those yours, or
No, you have 2 that have $75.
So we both have 2,
and I have one that has 175 and one that has 100.
and my cash one is at 75.
Yeah,
All right, and then what was your high one again?
170.
And the 175 one, is it a balcony?
Yes, they're all balconies.
These are all balconies.
Yes, mine are all balconies. Yours are interior, ocean view, or interior. It depends on which ship.
Now, your balcony offer with no free money is how much compared to the one with the quote free money? Yeah, you have to think this through. It's like.
Wait, what?
You have another balcony offer that does not have the free cash offer. How much is the price difference between the 2? Which one is the most quote unquote expensive of the free rooms?
Oh, it doesn't matter.
So the free cash is just a complete bonus.
Yeah.
So that's the first, that right there is
Balcony is a balcony.
So that's the first thing you're going to look through. First, to get the biggest bang for the buck. What's the same type of room but has free money of any variety? So that would be if money was limited, like us and most other people, but you had a free cruise to take, that would be the one to take. Now, then you have to check itineraries. You found your best advantage play ever available because of COVID being over. You can now go get it, but where can you go, when, how many days, and are there any other upgrades available? If we did a demo booking, what would be our in-cost counting port tax? Why not? You know what's going to happen at the very end here? I'm going to go, wow, can you believe this? They are now offering no down payment either till a week before.
No, they're not.
No, I'm not. I don't. You know for sure. Have you gone? I was putting up a theoretical kind of funny joke.
I guarantee you that Royal Caribbean is not doing that.
I don't think they're doing it either. That was just as a fictional storyline, like in a romantic movie where a couple has been married 32 years, coming up on 33, hasn't been on a romantic cruise vacation in 2 years together at least.
Let's do.
Get the vial. Oh man.
Do you want to do like a new ship or a medium ship or?
With us, usually it's the number of days that matter, but let's assume we want to get the biggest bang for the buck by getting the most day at sea credits at such a cheap deal. So I'm looking for, if for example,
the longest one is 8 nights.
There you go. Where's it go? When does it take off?
The 8 ones are Southern.
Sounds fantastic. I love Southern.
Okay. We have Mariner.
What's in Southern? What's that? Is that like
ABC
Honduras and
no.
Guatemala?
No, that would be Western.
Oh, okay. Southern.
ABC
Oh,
Islands.
no way. Wasn't that the last one I was on? Was ABC Islands? No.
No, it was not.
That was that.
Before it was the one before that. Yeah.
This is about low rolling casinos too. They have two really fun land casinos. One's like a small local, like say Mississippi Gulf casino. The other one is like a miniature version of a Vegas casino, like a third of the size or less.
I want to do an 8 night. Let's do the Mariner of the Seas. So.
And Mariner's Navigator and.
I don't know. You need to get another phone and look that shit up because I'm not doing it.
You always do that to me. You know every ship's name and every fleet, but you just don't. You can't figure out how they. I know the pattern on how they go together.
Because it doesn't always work that way.
Well, I tell you what, I've been drinking this mango sweet pickle non-alcoholic martini, and I'm a little man.
Okay. 6 to 8 nights.
Come here, puppy.
On May 12th. Let's just.
Oh, it'll be just up the road from us in our winter cruise haven. No, I haven't checked. Is Port Canaveral up and running? Well, I heard there was a hurricane down there, and they had to bring rockets in off launch pads. And I was just wondering if it was are they open again?
Yeah, they got
that bridge in Crimea working again in just a few days.
That has nothing to do with what we're talking about.
Well, they got Port Canaveral open and running after a big hurricane.
That has nothing to do with what we're talking about.
It just shows how mankind is so good at engineering that they can fix, disasters. I do not have the Navigator of the Seas.
Let us see. 8 nights. Southern Caribbean. And perfect day. May. Not on there. Yes, on there. May 12th. Let's do that.
Okay, there you go.
Let us see. Balcony.
You can choose, or you just gotta take what they give you on this offer.
No, you can choose.
Oh.
All right.
Where's the iPad? I need to start looking up floor plans. Give me the iPad and bring the stuff up.
No.
I know your iPad doesn't get emailed, but.
Okay, so a balcony. You pick your room.
And you pick yours. Yeah, that's right, buddy. It sure is going to be if you keep this up, right, Chimichanga?
It's $1,787 per person.
I thought it was free.
It is free. You just have to pay.
Told me it was that's what it costs if you were buying it. How much per person?
$1,787.
So the total is $3,400, and then 80 more.
Right.
3,400 plus.
Price is per person.
30.
Cruise on.
Stop it. 3,400 plus 80. 3,000.
It's $3,791.66.
How much? You had that number right there on your phone?
$37.91.
That's the number I care about. Is what? Not what it costs. What's the total again?
$37.91.66.
37.
But
can you round it up?
$37.92.
No, I mean round it up by 10.
$3,800.
There. Thank you.
What? You can't round yourself?
I'm trying to make it easier for the stupid viewers of this channel.
The stupid viewers of this channel? You can't say shit like that. What's wrong with you? Anyway, though, here's the good news: is for these offers, you only have to pay the taxes, fees, and port expenses, which I find super hard to believe.
What are those going to be
Only-
like? 200 a piece,
No,
250 a piece?
$100.
Get out of here! No, just stop it.
I know, right? I gotta go back.
Is that now again? I need the total between the two of us, like, because it's coming out of your wallet. How much money?
$220.
It comes out of your wallet, and that includes for both of us.
Yes.
220.
Yes.
So let's just take, to make it easy for the stupid
where's it go?
viewers,
Port Canaveral.
$3,600 of freeness.
Yeah. Port Canaveral, 2 sea days, Curacao, Aruba,
Love it.
sea day.
Awesome.
Perfect.
It's hot down there too, man.
Okay.
That sun is literally, you're at the equator. It doesn't matter what time of year you go, it's scorched.
So anyway, there's your example.
All right, so wait a minute.
Mariner of the Seas, 8-night Southern Caribbean. On May 12th, I just picked a date that's on here. 3,800, but we would only have to pay like 220 or something.
Yeah. So you're getting a $3,800 cruise for $200. I mean, is that crazy or insane or what? You just go, or what?
Okay.
Do you get any other bonuses when you
No.
push the book button?
No.
Well, push and see.
I'm not doing that.
I can't believe it. I'm trying to let her say, oh yeah, honey, go. Because you're like, shall I, could I, may
We
I?
can't go that day anyway. It was just a hypothetical.
I thought I'd trick you into committing. All right.
Okay, can I get to my next?
Yes.
So I had this email from Carnival.
Dear Chantel, we've missed you.
Starting October 13th,
What are you wearing?
you're eligible to book new elite cruises.
Ooh, elite.
Yes.
Oh, wait a minute.